Welcome to our Excel training. How can we sort the filters in a separate field in a list in Microsoft Excel 365 without including the rows that say total? Let's do a nice application on this. With the filter formula that we use and started using in Excel 365, we can now filter the data in a list we have. First, let's get our title from here and paste it to the side. While pasting, let's come from Past Special and apply the width we got here 1-to-1 with the Keep Search Column Width option in the second row. Then let's filter the list we have by saying equals filter. Look, we will filter the data here, and what is our condition from here? While filtering the data here, since we will not include the total, we write less than or greater than double quotes total. I close the double quotes and close the parenthesis, and when I press enter, the lists here appear before us without the total text. Now let's reduce this list to single. For this we come to the beginning of this. After equals, let me enlarge it like this. After equals, we will use a Uniqe formula. We write Unique here and go to the end and close the parenthesis again to reduce the data here to single. Then to sort the data here, we will write a sort at the beginning. We come here and write sort again after equals. When you open the parenthesis, come to the end and close the parenthesis and press enter. The data here appears before us in order. When you do not want to include an expression in the filter in a list you have, you can exclude it by using the Look Different expression here. Here, first of all, we filter the data except the total and bring it here. Then we reduce it to 1 with the Unique formula. Then we bring it here in order with the sort. All of these formulas are the formulas we started using in the 365 versions of Excel. You can create similar examples in your own tables.